Have you ever been walking through a house and thought, there's something that can be done here to make this cool? I really don't like the way it is, but I just can't quite visualize it. Well, here's a house my wife and I went through recently, and I kind of like the bones of the house, but I hate this. I guess it's called Pueblo Revival or something like that. This was a style popular in Arizona about 25, maybe 30 years ago, and it's not my flavor. I dropped that phone in ChatGPT and asked it to make it contemporary modern, and that's all I did, like a sentence. Please make this contemporary modern, and it sketched this out. I'm like, oh, I like that. It was so easy. Now I can clearly see what this room could look like if it was given the J. Jones makeover. Same thing for this front door. I kind of like the door itself, but I hate the glass that's in it. It's just not my flavor. Threw it into ChatGPT, and it gave me 3 options. I kind of like the clear glass with the dark door. What do you think? Here's the kitchen. Again, old style granite and this knotty alder, I think it was, type cabinets. Not my flavor. I just go, when I see it, so much nicer in this contemporary modern style. And if you were looking at a house that needs something like that, it's so easy. You just copy and paste the photo in chat and just say, make it contemporary modern or whatever your style is. In fact, I was even playing around with it with regards to this Jaguar. This is the way it looks now. And this is the way it'd look if it was given, I guess it's called the black pack, where you black out the grill and the inserts and the wheels. Kind of a before and after I was just playing with. Here it is with the red top and red wheels. I'm not sure I like that. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. What you think about this and the ability to do this sort of change, presto changeo in a matter of seconds using ChatGPT.